Hi everyone, it's David here at Digitrains. I hope you're all doing well. Here's a video of a recent sound installation completed by John D from our workshop team, this time on the brand new Ruston and Hornsby 88DS shunter from Hornby. John installed a Zimo MS 500N sound decoder loaded with our brand new MS 88DS active drive sound file for Zimo MS Decoders, along with Zimo Stacko 3A Stay Alives and a Digitrains 50321 speaker kit. Well, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and found it interesting. If you're interested in getting any of your locos either sound fitted or non-DCC sound fitted, please get in touch with our workshop team either via email, inquiries@digitrains.co.uk, or over the phone on 01522 527 731. If you're watching on YouTube, please don't forget to click like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.